After the activity, now see the growth in banyan and coconut tree. They give us the two plant, that is the banyan plant and coconut plant. Okay, and see the growth in both the plant. After some growth, that banyan tree develop the branches as well as some roots. The coconut trees, it grows in height. It not having the branches like that of banyan tree. Next, now see, after the fully growth, the banyan tree develop many branches as well as its own root. But that of coconut tree, it's only growth in height. Okay, and it develop the fruit, that is a coconut fruit. Now next, use your brain power. What differences do you see in the growth of the trees like the mango, banyan and peepal, and that of the bamboo, coconut and toddy palms? Okay, let us see the differences in the growth of the trees like mango. Now any plant we take, it's having its own feature, means all the trees have its own feature. Now like the mango tree, suppose we take the mango produces fruit. Okay, mango fruit. Banyan tree produces long roots, it's absent in other plants or other trees. Now the bamboo, it is a grass plant. Okay, and it grows tall. Peepal tree produces many branches. The coconut and toddy palms. Okay, that we know that coconut tree is a long, means it is a tall tree and it produces the shell cover pulp, and the toddy palms, it also produces the shell cover pulp. Okay, next one. Now the food is necessary for growth. Just now we saw that the all living organism will show the growth, either it is plant and animal. But you know what, for the growth, what is necessary factor? That is food. Without food, the growth is not occur. Let us see, first of all, we see the growth in the plant. How the plant growth takes place? Because of food. Okay, so the food is necessary for growth. And now we will see the food preparation in the plant. It produces its own food. It's not depend on other living organism for its food. Plant make their food in the sunlight, and which is the most important factor? Sunlight. In presence of sunlight, the plant can produces their own food. Plant produces food from water, nutrients in the soil and the carbon dioxide present in the air. So the plant, it produces its own food from water, nutrients and CO2. This process takes place in the leaves of the plant. Where the food preparation, in which part of the plant the food preparation takes place? It takes place in the leaves. Okay, this it is brought about in presence of sunlight and with the help of chlorophyll in the leaves. For the preparation of food, plant requires sunlight, as well as that process it takes place in the leaves, and in the leaves what are present? The chlorophyll. The chlorophyll, it is a green pigment. So all the plant or all the tree, it appear mainly green in color. Why? Due to this chlorophyll pigment, because this pigment color is green. This process of food production is called as a photosynthesis. So in plant, with help of CO2 and water, plant also require the water for its growth. So with help of CO2 and water, and in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll pigment which are present in leaves, plant produces its own food. And what is the end product? The end product means it evolves the oxygen. Let us see. The food production in plant is called as a photosynthesis. During this process, the plant gives out oxygen, and we require oxygen for our survival. Plants appear mainly green in color due to the chlorophyll in them. I already said you that why the plants appear mainly green in color, due to the chlorophyll which are present in green plants. So this is the food preparation in plant, and that food preparation in plant, it known as photosynthesis. In science, that photon means light, and synthesis means to prepare. In presence of light, the plant prepare their own food. So that process is known as photosynthesis. Okay.